All right, so we're pulling up to Chase right now. I'm gonna be sending out like $700,000 worth of wires today. One of them being a rental that I'm gonna be living in, that I'm gonna be renting out. I'm paying for the whole year up front. It's about $200,000. And then the other one is a $500,000 house in Palm Springs that I'm gonna be renting out for anywhere between $8,000 to $15,000 per month in revenue to me. So that's just a little investment that I'm doing, but I thought I'd bring you guys in and show you guys kind of like how I invest, things of that nature. And let's go send these wires out. And that is the purchase of a house. Another rental in the books. That's what we do. Make money, spend money, invest, and just keep running it up. Having a bunch of income sources is key. That way if anything falls off, you got backups to continue to make you money and keep you surviving in this world. And there you have it, 496,000, 196,000, and then 30K to initiate escrow. That's all I gotta say.